Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this no makeup look or clean girl makeup look. This tutorial is going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. First and foremost, I want to make sure that my face is clean. Secondly, I like to go in with my Vaseline, specifically the cocoa butter one. After that, I go in with my hyaluronic acid from Good Molecules, and I use that as a serum to moisturize that'll be like the first moisture that my skin receives. Then I go in with my Roche-Posay. I don't know if I said that right, but the double repair moisturizer. It's a sunscreen and a moisturizer, so killing two birds with one stone. I really enjoyed that. And I'm not gonna go in with a primer because my face is moisturized as it can get, and that's good enough. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. pomade, and I'm going in with this e.l.f. spoolie as well. It has a spatula at the bottom of it, so I'm going in with that product, and I'm just pushing it up my brows, giving it that laminated bushy look. This makes my brows look really clean. It just gives the effect of, no makeup, or just, that clean girl look. And I use the spoolie to shape my eyebrows the way that I like, which is pushed up with a little arch at the top. Now I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the shade Warm Almond, the concealer that's closer to my skin tone. So I like to use that under my eyes and a little bit around my mouth because those are the areas that are a little bit darker. You don't have to do all that. I feel like I did too much right here. I feel like I used a lot of concealer, but just put the concealer on your imperfections. Now I'm going in with my Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple, and I'm just putting a little bit in the inner corners of my eyes. Like I'm looking right there, like I didn't even have to do all that. Now I'm going in with my Morphe brush, and I'm just buffing that product into my skin. As you can see, I'm tapping the brush. I'm not, doing any swiping motions. I'm stippling that product. I'm stippling the concealer into my skin. Make sure when you're blending your concealer under your eye, you start at the bottom, like you start on the edges and then you work your way up. That concealer that's in the beginning of my eye, I'm going in with a beauty blender just to further blend that out. Because the brush that I had was just a bit too big. So yeah. And as you can see, it already looks beautiful. And I'm just further blending out my face with a brush, an angle brush to be specific. Next, I'm going in with my blush from Juvia's Place in the shade Perky Poppy. And this shade is a burnt orange blush, and I like it so much because it's not too light of an orange and it's not too dark. It's just right for me. And it just gives my cheeks that naturally flushed effect that I like. Now I'm going in with my One Size translucent powder, and I'm using a powder puff to first I'm blending out my under eye furthermore, and I'm going in with my powder puff to set my under eye. Also setting the remainder of my concealer with the remnants of the powder that I used under my eye. I'm not double dipping, using the powder that was left over. Now I'm going in with my One Size foundation powder, just putting it around my mouth, a little bit like on the rest of my face, nothing crazy. Now I'm going in with my NARS blush in the shade Exhibit A, and I'm just putting that where we put our cream blush. I'm going in with my mascara and I'm just putting a couple coats on my lashes. Look at my lips. They look real soft and plump from that Vaseline. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. lip oil. I believe this lip oil is in the shade Pink Quartz. If I would just use the Vaseline as lip gloss, but it's not going to stay all day with the lip oil. It's going to stay, and it also is going to leave my lips moisturized and glossy. So that's why I like to use that. I'm going to finish off this look with my setting spray from Morphe, and I'm going to put a decent amount on my face. And after that, I'm going to press in that setting spray just to further blend everything out. As you can see, my face is nice and glowy. Now I'm going in with this brow liner just to give myself fake moles or to reinforce some of the moles that I have. Just give me that natural look. Now we are done. Just fixing my hair. And yes, this was a quick and easy clean girl makeup tutorial. This look gives model off duty, definitely no makeup look, clean girl. This look is perfect for running errands, just a day to day. So yeah, let me know how y'all like this look. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, bye y'all.